For any Linux professional user, the command line is an essential and ultra powerful tool. In this lecture, I'll teach you how to be really efficient when using the terminal. The most important advice I could give you is to use the tab key for auto-completion. This is something you cannot live without. It will not only save you so much time at the Linux command line, but it will keep you from making mistakes as well. Tab is a feature supported by Bash and other shells as well. If you have to remember only one shortcut, this should be the chosen one. How it works is really simple. When typing at the Linux command line, just use tab to auto-complete commands, file names, or folder names. To use this feature, type the first few letters of the command you want to run or the file name you work with, followed by tab. Bash will scan the current directory as well as all other directories in the search path for matches to that name. If a single match is found, Bash will automatically complete the file name for you. If multiple matches are found, you have to press the tab key twice and it will show you all results, and you should continue typing until there's only one match. Let's see some practical examples. In my terminal, I write the letters IFC and press tab on my keyboard. The shell has automatically completed the command for me. Note that the letters IFC uniquely identifies the ifconfig command, and that's why it has automatically completed it. But if I write IF and press tab, nothing happens. Do you know why? Because there's more than one command beginning with the letters I and F, and the shell doesn't know which one I'm referring to. What I can do is press tab twice, and it will display all available commands that start with I and F. And there are two. Then I can continue typing until it can uniquely identify the command and auto-complete it. Let's see another example. Tab is used to auto-complete both the commands and the files or directories. I'm writing cat, a white space, a / and E, and I'm pressing tab. It has completed the etc directory from the root directory, which is / because there's only one directory that starts with the letter E, and that's etc. I continue and type the letters PA and press tab. Nothing happens because there's more than one file or directory beginning with PA, and the shell doesn't know which file or directory I want. But if I press tab 2 times, it will display all the files and directories that start with PA and are in the /etc directory. And there are 5. I'm typing the next letter, which is S, and pressing tab. Now the shell knows what I want and auto-completes the entire file name. By the way, the cat command displays the entire contents of the file at the terminal. Now it's time to tell you something really important, something that in my opinion is the key to not make serious mistakes while working in the Linux terminal. If tab does not complete automatically a command or a file name when it should, then there's a mistake. Do not continue writing the command or the file name, but stop and analyze what you have done up to that point. Tab doesn't complete because somehow, somewhere, there's an error. For example, let's suppose that by mistake, I'm writing a white space before the P letter like this. I'm hitting tab and nothing happens. It would be a mistake on my part to try to write the file name manually. I've got 2 errors. What I should do is analyze the command line and try to find the error, like this white space here. I'm removing it and then hitting tab. And it completes the file name. Another common mistake is to try to write the file and directory names manually instead of using tab. Let's suppose I want to remove a file in /var log directory. Like this. rm and the full path to that file. So /var log and the file. A random file, it doesn't matter. I won't remove it anyway. Don't focus on the rm command, which is used to remove files and directories, because we'll have plenty of time to talk about it later in the course. Instead of using tab auto-completion, like I actually did, I write the path manually. There's the chance that by mistake, I'll write a whitespace before the file name, like this. The effect will be that the rm command will consider that two arguments were given, /var/log and the file, and will try to remove them both. So instead of removing that specific file, you could remove the entire /var/log directory, which will break your entire system. Such a mistake is avoided if you always use tab completion. I hope that this lecture has provided you with a good understanding of how tab completion works and how to properly use it.